Hello internets, I'm at Target in case you couldn't tell. I'm going shopping for things that I obviously don't need, but I figured, why not? I don't have anything else to do today. I already got my peppermint mocha frappuccino, of course. I really freaked out when we got here because I went to stand in line at Starbucks and my friend was looking around the dollar area and somebody stole her cart. And I have a little collector's edition Sailor Moon tote bag that was in the cart, so I thought somebody stole it. Seriously panicked, and we told the loss prevention people and we were like, you have to find this thing, it's so important. Like, if it was any other tote bag I wouldn't care, but it was my Sailor Moon tote bag and I was really worried that it was gone forever. Like, I can't replace it. It was from the exhibition in Tokyo. But luckily, whoever stole our cart just decided to leave the tote bag laying in the dollar section, so we just like searched through everything and we found it. Oh, thank God. So it was just laying over here, but seriously, like, if I want to find it on eBay, I probably could for twice the price, but you can't find this anywhere, and it's so rare now, so it's so important to me. Pineapples, of course. I realize I'm an adult and all that, but seriously, who wouldn't want that on their birthday plate? Oh, yes. Oh, look at all the pretty things. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Shit. Why is that there? Somebody's not doing their job. It's not Halloween. Guys, come on, really? Gross. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Little Eskimos. Like a little Eskimo. It's really cute. Look good? I know it. Sexy. Wow. Look at these balls, are so big. They're almost as big as my testicles. I'm shopping. These are really cute. There's so much Star Wars stuff here. I'm really excited about it. What does this do? Oh my God, it talks. I'm gonna make it talk again. Huh? So cute. Hey guys, I'm home now, back from Target. I got my shopping done, so I think the rest of the day I'm just gonna take care of cleaning up the house a little bit and hanging out with my cats. My husband is away from home this weekend because of work stuff, so he won't be back until next week, but I promise next time he cooks, I will definitely have him back on the show. I know you guys enjoyed that. I call this a show, but it's more just like me talking to a camera about absolutely nothing, but that's okay. So since it's this day 10, I decided that I officially got these. These are the little Starbucks ornaments that I showed you guys, I believe the first day of Vlogmas. So I ended up purchasing the Frappuccino one because, you know, me and my Frappuccinos, and then I got this cute one that looks like a sweater. It's adorable! I love it so much! And there's my cat creeping next to the Christmas tree, probably attempting to eat things. Yep, there she goes. Starbuck! Starbuck. Hey! I know what you're doing. I can't show you much of what I got from Target today because a lot of it is Christmas presents for people, and I'm pretty sure that they watch these Vlogmas videos, so I don't want to give it up before Christmas Day, obviously, but I can show you a few things. So I got a few Christmas presents for my cats because, you know, they have their own stockings. So it's so hard to buy presents for cats because you never know what they're actually going to enjoy. So I'll give them these on Christmas Day. And then I also got myself a present. I got myself Jason Bourne. I'm so excited about this because I was looking at the bonus features and listen to this. They have shutting down the Las Vegas Strip, the Athens Escape. Oh, and what is this? Convention Chaos. So the convention scene was the one that myself, along with all my Hack 5 cohorts were in, and so was our Hack 5 booth. So I saw that and I was like, ooh, bonus features, convention chaos. I hope they included some extra footage from that convention scene that we were in, because there were a lot of other like hacker companies that were also in that scene, and they didn't necessarily get a lot of like on-screen time, so I would love to see them in the bonus features. That would be so cool. Especially like, you know, our friends at Hacker Warehouse and Hackers for Charity, they were both there. They both had booths set up at this fake convention for the movie, so I would love to see them in the bonus features, and also the Hack 5 booth too, because that would be really cool. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to watch that tonight, and maybe I will like shoot a reaction video for you guys or something like that, but I have a few things that I need to get done for work first. I know it's a Saturday, but you know, when you're a freelancer, your work is never actually done, so I actually need to get some stuff done and need to prepare for CES and for ShmooCon, and we have another training seminar coming up on the East Coast too, so if you haven't heard about it, sign up for it, because it's probably going to sell out real quick. So yeah, I'm just going to get that stuff done and hopefully pop back on before the end of the day. So it's not a super exciting one, but I know my last two were pretty fun. I've been busy, so I'm just gonna chill this weekend and like throw on some PJs and not do anything in particular. Hey guys, I just watched my Jason Bourne movie and it was so good. I am super happy that I got the Blu-ray so that I could like pause it on our scene and be like, oh my god, and actually like pick out everybody that I knew that was there, so that was really, really cool. I didn't get around to the behind the scenes, so maybe I'll have time for that tomorrow, but I did get a lot of work done, so that's good. So I'm gonna edit this video and then get it out, and I'm gonna pass out because it's super late now, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye!